Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. This session is for Sushant Singh Rajput again and the connected cases as well. So I did 5 sessions till now, and then many people asked things in that they're having discussions also. Somehow I want that these readings may help, may guide. Also, let's get on with the messages. I'm sorry if I take pauses because that's how this thing works for me, at least. I go in meditation and I'll pick the cards and all. Some cards flipped out. I'll use this ghost tarot here. The reason is that I want to connect with the spirits and the souls. Also, they were looking at me. They have this kind of thing. So we are not exaggerating on what kind of deck I'm using. It's just that I wanted to connect more, so I'm using it. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, sorry. Few visions and then into cards. I was shuffling this particular deck and 2 cards slipped and they are here with me. They might be telling the whole more about the storyline. So in my last reading, I picked up water connection and all, and people said that it's right, it's going that way, even the drops and all that, kind of like the drops and all. So let's start. When I tried to connect with him, his energy was trying to say or convey the message that stones are harder or stronger. Stones are harder. Okay, I feel like the message might be that the energies that the CBI is inquiring, having interrogations, they're quite hard. I mean, the energies, the people they're interrogating, they're not telling anything because they are going to be hard. Okay, they're going to manipulate, obviously. That you can all go in updates and all. I don't do with something fake and all, because I don't like that. I always go with whatever is there. You all know that something that I can tell you extra, I'll tell that. So it's something connected with the energies. These energies are tough and they are very manipulative, and they are letting the truth under these stones, kind of. So they are making things difficult. Okay, they might make things more difficult. So obviously they have the truth, but they are hiding it under them. It's also the message that came is it's deep beyond the shore, something. So right from my startup of the sessions, I picked up the water somehow, and I said that why it is connected, and then in the news also there was an update. So it's trying to again say that, like, deep from the shore, deep from the shore. So basically this is shore, and in the deepest there is something. And recently we got the news update as well. Still is trying to say this again and again. What it's something is connected. The third sentence was coming is water is the reason. REASON. Water is the reason. So definitely I did my reading, and then I heard someone told me that from my family that, look, there is this water resort connection, water stone resort. Look, stone is also coming here. So they are harder than stone, kind of. So it is connected. Something is connected with water. That possible resort, yes, 100% possible. Okay, these people who are getting interrogated, the girl and all that, yes, they are involved, and yes, they are the murderers. His energy is quite fluctuating right now because he is not in peace, because he is angry. But I'll just tell you what I saw next, because I asked him that how are you, and I asked him like 1 day or 2 days ago, how are you, tell me. Now I'm doing this reading today because when they connect, only then we can do it. I also did prior one Aquarius reading for 2nd and 3rd of September 2020 till October. Now the reason I'm telling you here is that I just recorded it because there was a call. I do my readings as per the call. So in that, I was about to do his reading first. He said stop. So I stopped. And then later I realized that I should do it, and he wanted my mind to be like out of those energies so that I can do his, you know, his specific reading. There are reasons, some people will understand it, some won't understand it. It's okay, because this world works like that. So I'm not going to, I cannot please everyone out there, but I'll try my level best. This is my purpose, I can only say this. So for him, he showed me these things. In brief, it's about they are going to be harder than stone, so the truth is lying under them. And it is also connected with something of a stone resort. This word is connecting. He said that there is deep beyond the shore, in the sea, deep from the shore. That was the sentence. Shore, beyond, deep. Okay. Obviously the words cannot come like so sentences. We have to, they come in jumbled. Okay, we need to connect with. Then there was something of marshy area. I could see from the top position. Okay, it was in the middle of the night. I woke up and I saw that. And because I keep asking him that, how are you, where are you, what you are doing, are you okay? And in this time frame, I've been in all the time frame, it's very disturbing, because we are concerned for the reason, for the soul particular. We are hurt, we are angry, and we all want justice. And even the connected cases, Disha Salyan, and I do feel that there are many more cases connected with this scenario that will open up in the coming time. I do feel that very strong, because that's why he's trying to say water is the reason. So WATER, water is the reason, REASON. There is something connected with water. A lot will be coming out. The truth is inside. Okay. Okay. I'm also hearing the word carving. I don't know what it is connected with. CARVING. Somewhere someone wrote something, or this might be something of a proof, or I don't know what it is, but it's carving. Another thing that I saw was right from the top, because I could see in the middle of the night, and I got awake and I was like, what? And I went to sleep, and in that time frame it flashed. So it was a marshy, muddy land, jisko kehte hain daldal. The thing we call it in Hindi is daldal. People who are coming to my channel, they said that Hindi mein boliye, speak in Hindi a little bit. So, but now I cannot, you know, make other videos so many, because the energy talks to us in one time, in one flow. I understand it, but I'll try to. So marshy area, daldal jisko kehte hain. From top I saw the letter, and which is very mysterious, because it's not that only it will come in English language. So it's their concept. We are not going to decide that talk to us in English or something like that. It doesn't work that way. So the letter I saw was in Hindi. Okay, it's A se anar, means if we convert it into the alphabet, it's A for apple. Okay, so basically I saw A, literally in Hindi written A. Possible someone's initials, the power behind it, it's A. Something has to do with A also. Again, these all energies, they work for them or they did it, but the hand is behind. You get it? Something is. So they are here, they are here. Yes, of course, their benefit was there, obviously. Now we're going to go in cards a little bit. I'll try. Okay, I'll try to connect more. These two cards that came, well, I was talking about all. So they have the first card as Page of Wands energy. It's about a lot of chats and messages. Pages are messages, basically. It's also someone acted on something, attacked on something. Page of Wands is also connected with, this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius card, but we're talking about energies here. I'll give the sign though, but it's also something connected with I'm picking the words hate me, hate, H-A-T-E. Someone didn't literally hated him. Someone literally hated him. I don't know why. Maybe because he was too good. Maybe because too good in his work, his reputation. He was working good for other energies. He was going in deep to find out the truths. I feel like he was trying to find out the truths, and he was about to unleash obviously something, but it's just not one or two things. It's more. It's more which is under the stone, which was under the stone, which was something under the heavy burden or something. I feel that. So with this Page of Wands, this is also someone who was in relationship with him, kind of, and I'm saying is came close, talked good, talked sweet, talked passionate, anything, okay? It's also someone who attacked. So this is about, with recording time 11:11, someone who talked and got close. This could be someone who talked only through messages to connect, or something was like, something is misinterpreted kind of energy. It's also someone who came along with the attack. So look at the fire, Page of Wands energy. The second card is Eight of Cups energy, and if you look very close, it's the female energy vibe, but it's spirit, like it's ghost tarot. So it's them from the other world, other realm, basically. Okay, please ignore the sound. I'll pause it if they turn up more. Okay, so this is something that you can look close. Eight of Cups energy is detachment, hard detachment. The reason the female energy is coming in my readings from so many sessions, I'll be back. So there is this female energy, definitely, okay, and we've been talking about Rhea. Okay, so in this session, this is something, a confirmation. Also, more confirmation. I said so in many of my readings. I already said. So look at this, and Eight of Cups is someone who detaches you, also someone who leaves. So obviously she did it. Also involved with some other energies to attack, emotional attack, physical attack. That all happened. This is the message that is actually coming. Okay, now there's very important thing, and it was all done through Page of Swords. Like more of like texts, then calls, more of like message, then calls, more. Okay, it's also emotionally cornering someone. So right from this deck, we're going to talk. One card flipped, and this is Six of Cups energy and the House. Look close, the House. And this is an Eye. Four of Swords. Four of Swords is also halt. It's also captivity. It's also bars are up, like the guards were up. So possible these were like kind of energies who were guarding and not letting things out. They can be more than 4, can reach up to 5 or 6 energies. And let me tell you, when this will be opening up more, there are more other energies, because I said so. There are some here, some here. Like it's like the chess where the leader is here, but the other energies are in front. So an eye, I kind of feel like someone was keeping close eye on this particular. Okay, home, the person. Also the message is the House denotes success in all ventures. If present condition is unpleasant, the future will be happy and prosperous. Also predicts marriage. So here, this is his card. It's something connected with his home, his property, and also he had some plans of business ventures in future, and he was having all type of like 100% success plan. But things were unpleasant, and they got more unpleasant where he was living. If you see, this is lone home, somewhere in seclusion, kind of like, yes, of course he was being secluded. Also predicts marriage. So someone wanted to marry him, obviously. This also comes because I'm reading out the message. Okay, I'll go with the words here and then go intuitive. Forced words is the eye. When near denotes great interest taken by friends. When distant, it signifies suspicion. So yes, there definitely someone was keeping an eye. Suspicious energy, calling time 1515. But all in all, I also feel like people around him were taking interest in his things, and this happened actually. Now, okay, a little bit shuffle this deck. Okay, there is this last message that I really want to share. That is the vision I talked about. Yeah, no. Okay, it's about. I'll just share. What's the future of this case? What will happen for Sushant? And let me tell you, all the sessions I cannot do like online. I was really in tears, and that night I was holding one of my deck and I asked few questions from him. I asked him, are you like watching all that is happening regarding your thing and justice? And he showed me the Sun card, which is, yes, he is looking. I asked him, where are you? So exactly, they are not allowed to tell, obviously, because this is afterlife. But he is in some other world, other realm, from where there are some rules. There are some rules of like Four of Pentacles. He showed me Four of Pentacles, which is about control. There is some control. But he is still here. He is. So please tell us. Please tell us what we can expect in this. What we can expect in this. It's the railroad, Two of Wands energies. It's going to be the long journey. The railroad forecasts a long journey if near certain number, but I'm not doing that layout. 44. A serious accident if near 29. A robbery. Robbery does say a lot of things, because the energies who were coming, like the police or anyone, and the things, those were being transferred from that place, obviously illegally. It is connected with robbery, and also a lot of things of robbery. But this is something, someone will try to escape. Two of Wands energy, maybe he is trying to say through that, because he can view more. So he's trying to say that this is going to be the long journey where someone will try to escape and go on long journey. Do you get it? Someone will try to escape before it head towards. Someone need to make a decision here, and we are talking about CBR. Okay, Two of Wands energy is about, they need to make it quick, something. I also hear two will be grinded to the extreme in one go. Two will be grinded. Jack of Pentacles energy. It's interrogation. It's legal interrogation, because we talk it in the terms of practical zone. It's also someone who will break. I feel like it's going to be some kind of signatures. Those you can expect in the coming time. The rider is a sure sign of good news, unless alongside of 6, 8, 11 or 13, and there are no such numbers, and I'm not doing that way. I have to repeat it so that people don't get confused. But if you look at it, this is Page of Pentacles energy, which is earth sign, which is on a practical note, earthly like things. We are earthlings, okay? So we live on this earth. So this is something, rider is a good news. So someone will get good news from far regarding this case. Now they are working, so they'll get that news and they might update us. Okay, I go with the cards, I go with intuition. Whatever he is showing me, whatever this realm is making me do, I'll do it anyhow. Okay, this is something, some news from far will come. Plus, two people in a row will be grinded and introspected very hard. Third, Someone will become the witness, kind of like there will be some legal signs and all that. Fourth, it is about a big plan and preparation that is going on and you don't know. So they are not telling us, obviously. But this rider, you're going to hear some positive and more positive news about this case in the coming time. With this Jack of Pentacles, I also see legal documents being signed. I said so. So it's going to be quick news and quick update. Going to come in next 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks will be very important, wherein you will see the update and some kind of development that will go in good realm. I also said that it's kind of like hate me that was coming. Someone never liked him. They never liked him. Though he was doing so much of good work, maybe that is the reason there are more bad here, or maybe more bad energies were around him. Third card is Three of Pentacles energy, which is the money. And in my last sessions also, in one of, or I don't exactly remember because I do so many readings, but especially in these sessions regarding Sushant, I picked up this Three of Pentacles. This is about money, this is about finance, this is about vault, this is about documents, and it is robbery related. Someone just took everything away. And I also feel, especially when the robbery took place, I mean it was being shifted or some probing and all that stuff was done. This was being done by someone who was in late 30s, after 25 kind of energy, like coming 25 plus to nearby 35 plus kind of energy, who did it, and they ran away with the truth. They ran away with documents, vaults and everything. So it's being shifted basically, and it was done very quick, especially when you look at the horse. Okay, last card is Three of Pentacles energy. This is about the deal. This is about the deal. The money safe indicates riches. If shut side is towards the person, it denotes loss by speculation. So he had plans of, but when it is coming and it is on the open side, means near the person, this is something connected with loss. Yes, of course, loss of life also. May they be punished, may they be punished, may they be punished. So Three of Pentacles is the talk of the deal and the collaborations and the contracts in the future. I see that the vaults will be opening. A lot of truth will be out. Someone will be caught, grinded too much, and they will become the witness, kind of, I feel like. The group will be out, more groups, okay? And of course it was done for a lot, for kind of like when we look at the vault, it is about the document, the patent, the money, the property, everything. It is definitely connected and surrounding with this energy. I don't know, how can people kill someone for money? How much they want? Oh my god. Okay, so are you trying to connect with us? Are you trying to share something? Anything that you want to? Yes, yes. Okay. The message that I was talking about, the last and very important message for this session is when I said that, I was talking about, I said that how are you, and I do ask him quite often. I ask him, so when they want to connect, only then we can talk. So I saw that, show me the sign. I asked him, show me the sign, because as in that they cannot tell us I'm fine, like, so they talk in different words and signs. So he showed me the word mark, M-A-R-C, basically, on one of the objects, and that was very blurry in my home. I was in the kitchen, and there are so many things though, but I never noticed that. And then I was doing some work, I was drinking water and all that, and then I saw in a blur in sand kind of, it was some dirt was there, dust was there basically. It usually comes because in this area where I live, the dust is so much, so it usually enters, seeps in, and then it settles. So dust was settled on that word, and I tried to see, and the word was mark, M-A-R-C. Now there are many things connected with this. This is again jumbled. So I tried. I just went on doing my work, and then later I realized why it was coming. It was not going out of my head. So I tried to find out. And the mark is connected with first thing. If we convert it into M-R-K or anywho, the pronunciation is the same. Mark is some sign that he might be indicating. Mark could be this initial A. Mark can be something connected with that they are like stone. Mark again. Now I went online and then I searched, and if you search anything, just get on with more messages. Then there I was thinking about, is there some angel? Then there was some connection with the Bible, I suppose, because I tried, because I never read that, with all due honor and respect to everyone and every religion out there. But I then figured out that it's something connected with John, and the John's other name was Mark, and it is also connected with something of a number 1212. It is also something connected with, obviously, universal connection 1212. It's 0000. They mentioned something there, and it is connected with it's something connected with resurrection. So it's about relive on the journey. So they might want to say something through this. He's on the journey of resurrection, possible, till the time it's been done. Also, second thing, what was that? Yes, it was a number written, some phrases were there, and one more important thing was there. It's kind of like the Last Supper with the God, kind of also. And one more important thing, please bear with me, I don't want to forget it. Just forgot about it. I don't note it and all, I just went through that. Very important message was that. Yes. It also said judgment, the day of mark, the day of judgment, something connected. Now yes, of course, these are all, if you go in deep you can read more, but there are many things connected. The things that I needed to see and hear, I heard that and I read that, and I'm putting this here. Okay, so maybe this is all the concept around this. The day of the judgment will be delayed, it said that, but it is also the mark, which is the point that it will come. Okay, so maybe this is something that he wanted to say through that. When it is also talking about the Last Supper, so possible this is connected with, he want to say that it was my last meal and something happened bad with me. That possible I couldn't even have it proper. Possible that there was something in the supper. Supper could be anything you drink, eat, something. Also, he is trying to say it was in the supper, and it all went so clear in the news channel also and in the updates that something was being given to him in the rings, in any form, was. So maybe that's why I'm disturbed. Okay. I'll try to ask, what is that you are trying to say from the other way? And people who have negative thoughts on some things, they keep saying some things. It's been said that kuch to log kahenge. People will say even if I do the best. People will say even if I don't do the best. So they'll end up saying something or the other who are negative. I just want to say that stop spreading negativity. It's hell here. It's hell lot here. So don't try to do that. Also, I want to say that while I was searching for Mark, many things turned up, but those things only turn up, those are supposed to be, like, so it's something connected with, I end up finding one novel. I don't know what it is. I even don't remember the name, but I just read the description kind of, which was even coming as on top of, like, there are some cookies on this side. You need to allow it to read it. So I read just only one part, and this something is based on London-based novel or something, and there was some young guy, young boy. Do you get it? There was some indication of that in the message. There was this young guy who was killed with the different markings on his body. This sentence I read, and I said that maybe this is connected with this. Of course it is connected. Then I realized so much going deep. There were markings on the body. No one could explain. Recording time 3113. There were markings on the body when this young boy was killed, and no one could explain this. It is becoming difficult. Exact. And then the game will kind of, like, the game was on kind of. It's like the player, yes, the person who did it, the player is out there, because the second something murder was about to happen. So it's something interrelated and related scenario. I don't know what that is. Well, I stopped here and we'll just get on with this. It's Five of Swords energy. You look at the picture, okay? Just look at it. Five of Swords is someone who made the other energy totally hollow, okay? It's like empty. It's something cut off of communication as well. Someone who was drawing the line means they cannot cross it. Means he was unable to cross it. He wanted to, but he couldn't. Just look at this picture, very close. Again, this is a female energy with the big knife, and there's this carrot. And this carrot is crying. Look at this. This carrot is crying, there are tears. Again, this is connected with supper. This is connected with that particular scene. I'll cut the deck because I want to see some other things here. I'll go intuitive with the cards, but this is the sign of fire again, which is repeating from this Page of Wands. Okay. This is fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. In the desert, he was left alone with negative energies and with the power of fire. Dominating. Someone who dominated his life for quite a long time. The female energy out here, it's 100% sure. And this is also the person who is feeling so small here, and they're so huge. I mean, they controlled and overpowered their life too much. Number 4 is the Emperor, someone who sits on the throne. In different decks, it's different. Recording time 3434. Look at the Emperor, it's an Aries. Fire sign is coming too much, but someone who is in power, someone who makes things work. With the number 4, you get it. They need not to even move. They just order. Someone who is in power, they sit on the throne, they control a lot. It's someone who is a multitasker, someone who dominates the situations, someone who looks at and they let things happen. They were watching it happen. They knew it. People in power. I also see with this, this is what he is trying to say, that this person made him weak. The female energy brought someone hiding in secrecy or planted someone there, and then they used it against them. They made his life so devastated and thirsty and just like desert. This is also someone who played as a friend possible, or this could be the other energy of someone who is sitting on the throne. Emotional trap, obviously. Just give me a second. Obviously, emotional trap. There's this Chariot coming. This last card is the Chariot, which you have just the number 7, but in Rider-Waite it's written Chariot. So the Chariot is someone who moved out. Obviously. It's also two energies here if you look closely, though it's a baby, but it's someone who trusted someone too much like a baby and they betrayed. Again, the female energy. I feel like this Sushant, SSR, had big plans of movement as well. I kind of feel like they're all toys. If you look closely, they're toys. So it's like the betrayal was done to the extreme. What's with this Chariot? Look close again. 10 of Pentacles energy. When you look in the Rider-Waite, the 10 of Pentacles is all about home, family, money, property, bank accounts, everything. And this is again the carnival. So where there are like so many toy kind of hanging, and then it's a jhula, so it's swing basically. It's kind of like a merry-go-round or something like that. You might have observed that, obviously you might have gone there, but it's kind of like this energy, she was making this person work like and on her terms basically. And if you see that Chariot, someone moved out, means someone moved out of 10 of Pentacles, home, this scenario, whatever seemed happy. So the cords were cut, moved out, took everything, 10 of Pentacles. When someone was not in the position to even fight back, okay? It's also baby, so connected with something. When someone was asleep or someone was not even in the situation, this person moved out. So he is trying to say all of these things here that might have happened in cuts here, clippings. Also, this Emperor gave orders. So he was ordering, was watching, was letting things happen, and this moved, cutting the cords and moved. 10 of Pentacles is basically completion also, but it is also something, if you look at in here, it's a cut and move. So what is that ultimate message you want to say right now to us and to anyone who is going through, because they are concerned for you? Please tell us what is you want to say from that realm. What is that you want to say from that realm? Are you okay? And what is that you want to say? This is pentacle energy. Male, female, doesn't matter, but this whole deck is more of like, there are males, but females are there. So this is Earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, regardless of the gender here. He is trying to say that someone who is the culprit, obviously involved, there are other energies, but someone who is trying to play big here, also someone is trying to be so sweet here, is not. It's also saying that someone is trying to eat this ice cream. They're eating this ice cream, they're holding something that's going to melt away soon. So maybe his message is that they're not going to be at peace. Also saying, because this is a pentacle, so this is about organization in this practical realm. Someone who is taking care of the case, fighting for it, finding out the truths and all. This is a sign of like, don't wait, it's going to melt. So possible this is someone who's trying to be too sweet and all that, or just being available and talking things out in a manipulative way. Find them and catch them. Also, things are not the same where he is, obviously. They're totally different from this practical world. But he is with sweet energy. He is with some sweet energy. Now listen to me. This is my last message for this session. You see, this is a sword energy. He, for me, is an Aquarius. But because he is not in this realm, with all honor and love to him, it's air, Aquarius. Sword is an Aquarius or Gemini, Libra, but we're talking about him. Just closely observe this female energy, though regardless of the gender, is writing. There are so many documents, pages, papers, messages. Writing with a feather, and these all messages are being posted. So do you get it? That there are so many messages reaching to everyone around you. So you might hear something, some words, some sounds, something that you might get in vision, something that if you are working for this, then you will get more. Even if you're not, still he is trying to reach to everyone. And if you see, more messages will be en route. He'll keep writing. He'll keep writing. Also, very important, this is connected with some documents, papers, pages, diary. He might be indicating to his diary. Diary and lot of pages, those are not there. They were being either shifted. Something is there. And also there is this rider energy who is running away with that, or possible this is something that he's guiding us towards some mark. Okay, some mark. I also pick here lot of sand and desert. If you look closely, just don't go on, okay, she's saying so I should believe. No. Yes, of course I'm saying, please ignore the sound. Okay, you look closely here, there is this desert. Okay, then in this Chariot card, there's trees but not green, desert. Okay, even this particular this Jhula, the swing we talk about, the area is also little blurry. And in this especially, it's whole of like all desert. So this is something also, the news or something that we need to see to the mark. Is there some word or name connected with mark? I don't know, but it is something heading towards some kind of mark, stone, water, deep, beyond the shore. Even in my startup of my readings, I talked about some harbor place where there are ships. Something is connected with that. He's making us look to the situation. Yes, that's all I have for you for today. May he find peace. May he get justice. I only pray, and I'll keep praying for him. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityurmukshayamamrita. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.